Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've done a makeup tray, so this is the new makeup tray for the next week. Excuse the nails, moving was really hard on them and they've all broken and they're in really bad shape, so forgive the nails. But let's jump in with what we're going to be trying for the next week or so. Starting off with some new brushes by Revlon. We have the contour brush, the blender brush, and the kabuki brush that we'll be trying this week. We have the Fit Me Blush, which is not new, but it's newer to me in the shade Coral. It looks really nice and pretty. For highlight, we have the Sleek Makeup Luminous powder. This is their Luminous pressed powder with an SPF of 15. It has just like a nice hint of glow. For face items, we have the Neutrogena Acne Proofing Daily Scrub and the Gel Cleanser just to keep my acne at bay and my skin in good condition for the winter. Primer, I am going to be trying the Master Prime Primer Base. It's supposed to hydrate and smooth. This is new to the Maybelline line, so I'm curious to see how this works. We're also going to be trying some new Photo Ready concealers by Revlon. I've never tried these, so I'm hoping that they are great for covering under eye circles. I have quite a bit of them. For powder, we're going to be trying the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Airbrush Perfecting Powder. This is in the shade Fair. That is my current color right now, Fair. To set for a loose powder, I'm going to try this little sample I have of Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder. I don't think I've ever tried anything by Dermablend, so I'm curious to see how that works. We have some other IT Cosmetics products here. We have their Brow Power Pomade, their Brow Power Pencil, and I'm also going to be trying their Tightline 3-in-1 Black Primer, Eyeliner, and Mascara. I've never tried this, so stay tuned for a try it video on this. For the lips, because my lips are super dry right now, Chapstick released a Total Hydration Lip Scrub line and Total Hydration Chapstick. They're like all scented. There's like mint and orange and pomegranate. We're going to be trying these two to get my lips back in good condition. New foundation that I'm curious to try is the Almay Best Blend Forever, like Best Friend Forever. It's kind of cute. So I have two shades to try from Almay, and then they released these little shadow quads. They're like the similar color family, but one's a matte and the rest are varying shades of shimmer. So I'm curious to see how those apply and how they wear. So this is the makeup tray for this week. Stay tuned for my thoughts and for review videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.